Do you feel the vibes?
Hi guys, Hamid Gamers here, back with another video. Today I'm showing you how to install Minecraft Texturepacks. Go to Google, let me open my browser, search for Minecraft Texturepacks 1.12.2. I chose this one. You go and download it. After the file finished downloading, drag it to the desktop. Let me close this app, and here's the file. Hit the Windows button and the R button, and this window will pop up. Type here app data, and you go to the .minecraft folder and the resource packs folder and drag this file to here. Now I will launch Minecraft. After you open Minecraft, go to options, resource packs, and click here. Yes, and done. Okay, now the texture pack is working. Let me create a new world. Create a new world. And that's it guys, now the texture pack is working. Stone, wood, and if you want to take it off, you can go to options from here, resource packs, and click here again and click done. Now it's back to normal. Thank you for watching guys, don't forget to give us a like, comment, subscribe, and peace.